YouTube, don't worry. Oh, buddy, you enjoying your bread? What, you enjoying your bread there? That's good, isn't it? Oh, yes, yes, guys. Come on, buddies, get your fucking food. What? Nice. See, it's a dog shit off. Oh, very nice. Getting a boyfriend to do it? Oh, we love it. Hello. Is it okay, the dog? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. You said a big shit in Manchester, yeah. Daddy picking it up. Oh, you're well cute, aren't you? Get him to pick it up, yeah.
Yeah.
Terrible, that, innit?
Well, we've got a choice.
Take care, guys. Yeah, lovely dog, that. It's a nice shit in Manchester. The husband picked it up. Good, good, good. So, yes, yes, guys. I don't know what to do, really. I'm going to go to Carbrook in a minute. Looking. My mother was in last night. This Dave wants any cooking. Oh, no. Delivery on the pavement again. Let me know. Be careful, Sig Patrol don't catch you doing that, mate. £120 fine. Let me just give you a bit of advice. If you walk into a shop, they can't follow you. Oh, yes, yes, guys. He's eating a burger. Do you get it from here? Yeah. Nice. Hi, Dave. Do you need any £5 notes?
Oh, I'm okay. I can give you
You know, just need 4.